Are you tired of feeling stuck in the rat race? Are you tired of working hard, day in and day out, without ever feeling like you're getting ahead? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the rat race, what it is, why it's so dangerous, and most importantly, how to break free from it once and for all. What is the rat race? The rat race is a term used to describe the never-ending cycle of working to pay off bills and debts, without ever truly building wealth or achieving financial freedom. It's a cycle that many people find themselves in, despite working hard and having a steady income. And it's a dangerous cycle because it can leave you feeling like you're trapped, like you're spinning your wheels but getting nowhere. Why is the rat race dangerous? The rat race is dangerous because it can rob you of your time, your energy, and your joy. It can leave you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and constantly worried about money. It can prevent you from pursuing your passions, spending time with loved ones, and enjoying the simple pleasures in life. And worst of all, it can make you feel like you're never going to get ahead, like you're never going to be able to break free. How to break free from the rat race? Now that we know what the rat race is and why it's so dangerous, let's talk about how to break free from it. Here are a few tips to get you started. Get clear on your goals. To break free from the rat race, you need to have a clear vision of what you want your life to look like. What are your financial goals? What are your personal goals? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live? Once you have a clear vision, you can start taking steps to make it a reality. Create a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and break free from the cycle of debt. Start by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. Then, create a budget that aligns with your goals and stick to it. Pay off debt. Debt is one of the biggest roadblocks to financial freedom. If you're carrying a lot of debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to prioritize your debts and pay them off systematically. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that can help you weather unexpected expenses or job loss without going into debt. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Invest in yourself. To break free from the rat race, you need to invest in yourself. This might mean learning new skills, pursuing a side hustle, or starting a business. Whatever you do, focus on building assets that will generate income and help you achieve your financial goals. Breaking free from the rat race is not easy, but it is possible. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and investing in yourself, you can break free from the cycle of debt and build a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and strategies.